Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Skullcandy Dime True Wireless Earbuds. On the front of the box, we have an image of the earphones themselves. Up top is the Skullcandy branding. In the middle, we have the slogan that says Mini and Mighty. Here we have the model name, and over here we have a few of the salient features, which include 12 hours of total battery, control over music and calls, auto connect facility, secure noise isolating fit, and IPX4 water resistance. On the left hand side, we have a list of the contents of this package, but we'll not be going through that as we will be unboxing the product anyways. On the right hand side, we have the BIS certification symbol. There's nothing on the top. On the bottom, we have some safety and regulatory information. On the back, we have the sticker that has some warranty information on the top, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We also have some importing and manufacturing information on the sticker along with the customer care details. At the bottom, we have an image of the earphones in its charging case, and over here they have called out how much battery life is in each of them. For example, the charging case has a battery life of 8.5 hours, and each earbud has a battery life of 3.5 hours, giving you a total battery life of 12 hours. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of the user guide. This can help you connect the device to your smartphone and also help you with all the other features and buttons. Up next is the charging cable. It has a USB Type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. It's approximately 5 inches long. We also have this small lanyard that you can put around the case, and that way you can hang the case up somewhere if you want to. We also get two additional ear tips. One pair is smaller than the ones that are already on the earbuds, and the other one is larger. Coming to the earbuds, they are finished completely in gray, matte gray that is, and there are these stickers that protect the charging connection points. There is the Skullcandy logo on the stem of the earbuds on both of them, and on the bottom we have LED lights. Each of the Skullcandy logos are actually buttons that you can press to change the tracks or increase or decrease the volume depending on the number of taps or the length or the duration of the tap. The moment we put the earphones in the charging case, the lights light up and the stems stick out of the ear case as well. On the bottom, we have the Skullcandy logo and we also have a protective sticker. On the back, we have the micro USB charging port. To get started with using these headphones, all we need to do is connect it with a compatible device. In this case, we will be using an Android smartphone. Remove the earphones from the charging case, and that should put it into pairing mode, as we can see from the lights flashing red and blue. Red and blue means that it is in pairing mode. Over here in the available devices section, we can see that it is called Dime Chill and it is the gray variant. So that's what it says. Once connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback, and the battery level is 100%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Skullcandy Dime True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.